All right, here we have the 3061B Coca-Cola trailer and Roadway trailer. Those were packaged together. If you find them for sale together, they likely came in the 2-pack like this. I'll put a link in the comments below so you can find those. But this was snagged these truck and 2 trailers for $66 this week. And as you can see, they always need a lot of cleaning. If you haven't seen the videos, go to Tyco US-1trucking.com. Show you how to disassemble it very quickly and get the gears out. You can see that hair in the middle there was the spiral was wrapped around the worm gear. So, but after you clean them up, use a little bit of super lube and liquid bearings. They'll run just like they were brand new again. All right, hope this video helps, and visit TycoUS1trucking.com for more videos.